Great videos are about more than just the script. To keep and hold your viewers' attention, you need to ensure that your videos are as dynamic as possible. For that, you'll want to use multimedia like powerful textual callouts, stock pictures and video, icons, music, when it's appropriate, and even AI-generated pictures. There is a lot of strong theoretical work that backs this up. Some of Mayer's principles make this really clear, for instance. The signaling principle, which tells us to highlight key points, adding voice intonation, text style, and other visual emphasis. The temporal contiguity principle, which says we should show related text and pictures at the same time. The modality principle is a goodie. It says, don't add screen text to accompany pictures, use narration instead. And finally, the multimedia principle. Use pictures, graphics, and text instead of just text. Okay, so you should already have some idea for the visual treatment you want to use, in line with these principles, for each chunk of your script. And this should be in your storyboard. But before we move on, I have a few pieces of best practice advice I can give you from my experience. So firstly, always make sure your visuals are as accessible as possible. Use high contrast colors to ensure everything you want to convey is comprehensible for the audience. Next, ensure there is a consistency in your design elements such as fonts, colors, styles, and transitions throughout the video. Consistency helps to create a cohesive visual experience, strengthens your branding, and helps the viewer focus on the content rather than being distracted by disparate elements. And one last tip, have some fun with it. Visual design can be a little bit of trial and error. Look for feedback and iterate. Okay, that's enough theory. Next, I'll quickly show you how to add all these elements to your video. Starting with text. You can add text to your screen by selecting the Text tab, then choosing either title, subtitle, or body text. Once you've added it, you can change things like the font size, style, or family. As a pro tip, if you create a brand kit, you can apply this as well, and it will automatically apply all of these for you. Next up, media. You can add pictures, video, icons, AI-generated pictures, and your own media all from the same tab. Select it, and you'll see a few sub-tabs. You can use the search bar to find free stock pictures, video, or icons. Just type in your query and go with the ones you like. If you're a pro or enterprise creator, you can also generate AI pictures by selecting the AI image button. Just type in your prompt, give it a moment, and see if what comes back fits your need. Try to be as descriptive as you can with your prompt. If you already have pictures or video you want to use, you can easily upload these, and these will be directly inserted into the scene. Just select Upload, find your file, and import it. If you need to, you can also create a screen capture, trim it, and import it all from inside the Colossyan editor. To do this, select the Record button and follow the prompts. Finally, for this video, you can add free stock music to your videos or upload your own. Select the Music button, then choose a stock option or upload your own, whichever suits you better. Okay, so you've spent a lot of time crafting your storyboard, applying theory, and learning how to use Colossyan at this point. Now it's time for some payoff. I want you to go into that draft you created after the very first video. Then add a few scenes and your script into the narration box in the sidebar. Next, add in textual callouts or search for some free stock media like pictures, icons, or video. And that's it for this video. Now you know how to add media elements, and you've got the theoretical tools to make sure you do this in an engaging and interesting way. Before the next video, take the time to build out the scenes in your video based on the visual descriptions you've added in your storyboard. This will take a little time. Okay, have fun, and I'll see you in the next one.